Creating the look is easier than you think. This is everything you need for every step. File your nails into the desired shape using the coarse side of the nail file. Use the polishing block to remove shine from the nail and make your workspace dust-free. Then, you apply the cleaner to a nail wipe and wipe your nails to remove grease. The next prep step. Apply the prep booster to your nails. Let it air dry for 30 seconds. And now, the base coat. Apply a thin layer of base coat on your nails. Seal the top of the nail to prevent air from getting underneath. This will make your manicure last longer. Clean your cuticles with the gel polish corrector pen or the wood stick. Always make sure the polish is on your nail, not on your skin. Leave under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Use a Pink Gellac lamp for the perfect curing. Time for colour. Briefly roll the bottle between your palms so that the pigment mixes well. Apply the colour as thinly as possible. Clean your cuticles with the gel polish corrector pen or the wood stick. Leave under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. For extra coverage, apply another layer. Seal the top of the nail to prevent air from getting underneath. Clean your cuticles with the gel polish corrector pen or the wood stick. And of course, cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Time for the finishing touch. The top coat. Apply a thin layer of shine to protect the colour and give it a glossy finish. Clean your cuticles with the gel polish corrector pen or the wood stick. Leave under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now wait 2 minutes to let the layers cool down properly. Remove the adhesive layer with a cleaner using a nail wipe. The last minute waiting, and now the final touch. Apply the nourishing cuticle oil and massage it in to hydrate your cuticles. Enjoy your beautiful salon quality manicure for 14 days.